Tom and Lily run around the yard, laughing and shooting water at each other.
You cannot hit me!
Really? Watch this.
Oh! You got my face!
I win!
Not yet! Tom, do not run near the fence! There is mud there! Don't worry, I can stop.
Lily runs to help Tom, but Tom pulls both of them into the mud.
Oh no! Look at our clothes!
What will happen next? Keep watching, friends.
Tom, Lily, Dad and I are going to the supermarket. Please be good.
You can play inside or in the backyard, but you must be careful.
Yes.
Do not play in the mud. Keep your clothes clean.
And we will not play in the mud. We promise!
Good. We will be home soon.
If there is a problem, call us.
Yes.
Bye, Dad! Bye, Mom! Lily, they are gone! Look what I have!
2 water guns?
Let us play in the backyard!
But Mom said we must keep our clothes clean.
It is only water. Our clothes will dry quickly.
What about the mud near the fence?
We will stay away from it. I promise.
Okay, but we must be very careful.
Tom and Lily run around the yard, laughing and shooting water at each other.
You cannot hit me!
Really? Watch this.
Oh! You got my face!
I win!
Not yet! Tom, do not run near the fence! There is mud there! Don't worry, I can stop.
Lily runs to help Tom, but Tom pulls both of them into the mud.
Oh no! Look at our clothes! Everything is covered in mud. Mom and Dad will be very angry. Do not cry, Lily. I will think of something.
We should call them and tell the truth.
No! If they know, they will be very disappointed.
But we did not listen.
I have an idea. We will wash the clothes right now.
But Dad said we must not touch the washing machine.
I am 10 years old. Washing clothes is easy. Have you ever used it before? No, but I have watched Mom use it many times. We only need to clean the clothes. Mom and Dad will never know. Give me your shirt. I will put everything inside. There is a lot of mud on the clothes. That is why we need a lot of soap.
Where is the laundry soap?
Dish soap, shampoo, and shower gel. Perfect!
It is not perfect, Tom. Dish soap is for dishes, shampoo is for hair.
But it still cleans things.
Tom squeezes dish soap into the machine. Then he adds shampoo and shower gel.
Tom! You are using too much! The clothes are very dirty. They need a lot of soap.
I think we should call Mom now.
We do not need to. I only have to press one button.
Which button?
The biggest one. Do you know what it does? No, but it looks right.
The washing machine shakes, water flows inside, and the drum starts turning faster.
The
machine is making a strange sound.
Do not worry. Washing machines always make sounds.
Look, a bubble is coming out. It is beautiful. There are more bubbles now.
Maybe the clothes are getting very clean.
Tom, bubbles are coming out from under the machine.
Maybe I used a little too much soap.
A little? Look at the floor.
I will press this button to stop it.
Tom presses the button. The machine turns faster and makes a loud bubbling sound.
You made it go faster!
Bubbles burst out of the machine like a volcano. A large wall of bubbles grows in front of the children.
Tom, it is taller than us.
Huh? Those two bubbles look like eyes.
It is looking at us!
Oh no! It is a bubble monster!
Run, Tom!
The bubbles pour into the hall, knock the children down, and move quickly into the kitchen.
Get up, Lily! I cannot! The floor is too slippery, Tom. We'd have to turn off the washing machine. I will go back to the laundry room.
Bubbles fill the living room. Tom uses a broom to push them away, but each time he moves some bubbles, a bigger wave comes toward him.
Go back, bubble monster! The broom cannot stop it!
A wave of bubbles hits Tom. He slips and drops the broom.
Tom, are you okay?
I am okay, but I cannot get back to the laundry room.
We have to call Dad and Mom.
Oh no, the screen is wet. The phone is not working.
What are we gonna do now?
Put this pan on your head. It will protect your face.
What about you?
I caused this. I have to protect you first.
Ethan! Look at our house! It looks like a giant cloud!
Mom! Dad! The bubble monster is eating the house! Help us! Tom, hold Lily's hand. Move slowly toward me.
Is the washing machine still running?
Yes! Yes! It is in the laundry room.
I will turn it off. No one should follow me.
Dad holds the wall and moves through the thick bubbles.
I can see the power button.
The monster is getting smaller.
It is disappearing.
A little later, the family stands in the wet living room. Bubbles and water cover the floor.
Tom, what happened? I want to hear the whole truth.
I asked Lily to play with water guns in the backyard. We ran near the mud and fell into it.
What did you do next?
I was afraid you would be angry. I wanted to wash the clothes and hide the dirt.
What kind of soap did you use?
Dish soap, shampoo, and shower gel.
You put all three into the machine?
Yes. I thought more soap would make the clothes cleaner.
I told Tom to stop, but he did not listen.
I am very sad because you did not keep your promise.
Machines are not toys, Tom. They can hurt you.
And when you tried to hide a small mistake, it became a very big problem.
I am sorry, Dad and Mom. I am also sorry, Lily, because I did not listen to you.
I forgive you, but next time, please tell the truth sooner.
I promise.
Thank you for telling the truth and not blaming Lily.
But saying sorry is not enough. We have to clean the house.
I will clean it. I caused this. Working together made the cleanup so fast.
And the house is clean again.
The family celebrates with a high five. Tom and Lily turn toward the audience.
Friends, when we make a mistake, should we hide it or tell the truth?
That is right. Tell the truth. And ask an adult for help.
And are washing machines and other machines toys?
No! Children should only use them with an adult's guidance.
I understand now. Listening, telling the truth, and asking for help keep us safe.
See you next time!
And do not make a bubble monster!